I didn't realize just how little there was. Maybe I should have gotten 2 packages of this. So we're going to put this into the food processor. Always taste your cookies first to see if you need to actually add sugar to the crust itself. So we're just going to whiz this up. Whiz this up. Did I break it already? Did I break my food processor? Oh my God, why? You gotta be kidding me. Did I really break another food processor? Pause it. Or shut it off. I gotta figure out. Okay, Munchie Mafia. So I've killed a food processor in the process. So now we're going to be using the blender. And we're going to look down inside here and we're going to just take a gander at, see, yeah, this thing is so powerful that it can't crush cookies properly, but hashtag RIP food processor. So blenders are not ideal for this sort of thing for obvious reasons. You definitely want a food processor, or you could just crush it by hand. And don't look down the hole of your blender, or else you're going to get an eye full. Now I got sand in my eyes.